Hi, I'm Mrs. Morris. Welcome to your online blended English class. On the home page of the website, you can find information about our blended program. We offer all core courses online to give you control over the time, place, path, and pace of your learning. Our labs are open for help every day, and you have our number so you can contact us 24/7. During the orientation this week, you'll go through the class info so you understand how everything works. For English, we offer courses English 9 through 12, and I also offer art appreciation. I have practice skills quests that you can do for extra points. The goal is to get 100 points a week so that you level up and then you can get to the grade that you want. You have control. Your grade will move from 0 to 100 on Infinite Campus, and your points for each assignment will be in Google Classroom. I have lots of online resources that I'll point you to. And remember, you have my contact information to get in touch at any time if you need help. So you've come by the class and you've picked up the Blended Learning Agreement. These are all the rules for an online course that you need to sign. And the most important one is to remember to keep with the pace so that your grade is always 70% or higher. This gives you flexibility to come and go. Otherwise, stick with me in the lab and I'll help you day by day. Please get this signed by a parent, go over the information with them, and bring it back Friday along with a welcome flyer, which you'll get signed. At the top are quick snapshots that show how Blended works, and at the bottom are the steps that you need to get connected to me and get your account open. We're going to be using Google Everything for this class, so please use your first and last name to create an account, unless you already have one, and get signed in. When you go to the Google Classroom web page, on the classes splash, you'll just hit Join Class. The code for the orientation is J2B4U3D, just like it says on your handout. When you join, you'll be able to open up the orientation course to get you started. It consists of getting your worksheets signed and uploaded here, looking at the website, going through the syllabus, taking a quiz to make sure you understand how everything works. You'll write a poem, you'll introduce yourself to your peers, and then you'll tell me which assignments you would like to start with, your past, your present, your future, your goals, and what we can do to work together to make sure that you're successful. And a little wrap up at the end, just so that you know how Google Classroom works. Now, you should be able to get through to a passing grade by progress reports and start a second course if you need to. Otherwise, it's paced so that you have an A+ by the end, and we'll talk about your goals for success. Please keep in touch. I look forward to having you in our blended program.